Here I've got DOOGEE S50 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select settings. Here you will notice call blocking, so smoothly select it, and now by tapping on add a number, you can enter the number that you would like to block, so smoothly enter it and tap on block. And from now on this number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any calls or messages from this contact. Then whenever you would like to remove some number from your blacklist, just tap on the cross icon and then select unblock. And now it released, so you will be able to receive any call or message from this number. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.